Hi everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with some more wreaths, but this time Christmas wreaths. As you may know, I'd actually made lots of wreaths for the autumn season, and now I decided I wanted to make some for the Christmas season. And I thought, well, I want to actually log the things I've done so I can have a look back and what I've made and stuff like that, how I placed things and stuff. So I thought, well, why not share a video with yourselves of what I've actually done and maybe give you some inspiration for some that if you're wanting to do the wreaths yourselves. And if you don't know, I have actually got a tutorial on how I've done this. It's just, this is Christmas and the one was autumnal, but if you do want a video with doing a Christmas one, I'm more than happy to do that. Just let me know. So this is the first one I'm going to show you, and this one is like creams, golds and browns and like really nice warm Christmassy colours. So it's kind of traditional but not traditional, so we've got lots going on. We've got baubles and we've got apples and roses and little birds here. So yeah, that's the first one. I am going to kind of whiz through these because there's quite a few and I want to make this video as short as I possibly can. So the next one is this one, and this is actually the first one I did, and I really wasn't happy with it. I don't know why, but it has kind of grown on me, but I'm just not feeling it. Maybe because I am not a traditional kind of Christmas girl. But yeah, this is some of these ribbons probably need titivating because they have been in storage, and I'm just getting them out for this video. So that's this one. And then I wanted to do like a candy cane kind of vibe with this. It didn't quite plan out as much as I wanted to because I really wanted like a definitive stripe, and I should have done the layers of the ribbon more instead of doing 6 ribbons of each colour each time. I probably should have done 12 in hindsight because it kind of didn't work out how I wanted. But I did do this a bit different because I used tinsel in the background. It was more difficult to get things to attach to it with that, but it worked. I had to paint up some baubles myself, so I had to do this bow, which I'm not particularly happy with, but it was the best of what I could do. I also like glittered up and painted up this dotted one, just because to buy them kind of ones that was already painted was like £15, and for me I knew I was only going to do this one, so I just used some of the baubles I had and did it myself that way. I really love this little apple here and the little bells, which actually do work, but I'm not sure if they'd, yeah. So, and then we've also got a little bell up here and a little teddy. So yeah, this one is super cute and proper candy themed. This is similar to the first one we showed you. It's the exact same colourway, except we didn't put the brown in this one, so that's why this one's different. I just love this one. I love the brown ones as well, but I do like this one as well. They're all just so different. So that was that one. And then I went and did a gold and blue navy themed, and I just really love this one, but that's because blue is my favourite colour, so that's probably why I'm gravitated to this one. There's this one and another one I keep gravitating to, but I'll tell you that one when I get to it. So yeah, this one is like full on glitter. It's, yeah, because these ribbons are quite muted, I really wanted a power with all the glitter on this side. So we've got like a large mushrooms, we've got lots of little berries and different types of baubles. We've got this massive glittered poinsettia here. So yeah, so I like glittered up this little bird here, because I just thought he just needed some glitter on him. Well, most of these birds I have actually glittered up. So that was that one. And then we're back onto traditional, and I absolutely loved this ribbon. I really wish my other ribbons was like this. It's a kind of stiffer ribbon, which I didn't think would work, but it's turned out really, really nice, and none of the ribbons have actually frayed, and I feel like even though it's the same amount of ribbons on them all, this is really like puffed out. It's just really good. And it wasn't expensive, that ribbon, at all. Like, it's probably the cheapest one via the ribbon for all of them, but then the baubles was a bit more expensive, but it didn't matter. So I've got some really pretty baubles. I've got a little robin here going on. We've got some more baubles and mushrooms and stuff, and like a big massive red apple. So yeah, this definitely is Christmas, traditional Christmas. And then we've got another traditional Christmas. Again, it was using that same style ribbon. It's just a different colour way. Like that one's more a dark green, whereas this is a more lighter green in the tartan ribbon. And again, it just follows the same kind of theme as the previous one. So then I decided to have a go at the bauble wreath. Personally, for me, I didn't really like it because no matter what, I kept seeing bits of glue and stuff like that. But the person who is getting this says she loves it, so that's okay. But personally, I would not make another one of them for me. And like the back, I tried to clean it up as best I could, but again, it's just tons and tons of glue, so it's just not my favourite at all. I love the colourway of the baubles and everything, but I just did not like the actual seeing of the glue and stuff like that. So yeah, that was that one. And then this is another one which is using those same baubles actually from the bauble wreath, and I call this one the woodland one because it really gives me the woodland vibes. Obviously the ribbons need to be titivated and stuff, but yeah, I just like the amount of people who's commented on this one has really surprised me, because I didn't think people would like it, because to me it didn't really scream Christmas, and I feel like this one could actually go through autumn into Christmas, so you could actually have it up for a much longer period of time because it fits both themes as such. So yeah, that was that one. I actually did a miniature one version of this as well. There's like the smaller version of it as well, so just because I had a few bits of ribbons, well it wasn't a few, but I had ribbons enough to do this size but not that size, so I thought, well, I'll just do a small one and see how it goes. So that was that one. And then this is my last one, and I've saved the best to last. Me personally, I absolutely love this colourway. It's not been everyone's taste. There's quite a few people who said no, they didn't like it. But that's the thing with these things, like, I'm not really a lover of like the traditional type of ones, and they get lots of comments of like positivity, whereas I absolutely love this one. This is my favourite one. This one, then the navy one, and then actually the tartany ones, just because of the way the ribbon came out. But yeah, this is definitely my favourite one. So I feel like that is it for all the wreaths I've done so far. If I do any more, I may do in a video. Like I say, if you want me to show you how I've put this together, I'm more than happy to do a video. But I have got an autumnal one that's like was posted September, October time. So yeah, well, I'd say a big thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what I've been up to, and hopefully catch you in the next video. Bye.